are going to learn more about adjectives. So as we know, in the previous classes we have learned about adjectives. Adjective means a word that tells us about a noun. So this chapter is divided into 4 topics. So here, these 4 topics I have mentioned. First one is adjective equivalence, position of an adjective, order of adjectives and formation of adjectives. So here, one by one topics we will clear. So now, first topic is adjective equivalence. So let's see.
Now here first topic, adjective equivalent. A word or word group that is not an adjective, but it is noun modifying function, and adjective is called adjective equivalent. This function of an adjective modifies noun. Here some example it is given. First example, stone walls do not make a prison. So here stone is a noun, but it describes another noun, walls. Second one, all the up trains are running late today. Up is a preposition, but it qualifies the noun trains. Third one, the then king was very just and mighty. Then is an adverb, but it adds to the meaning of the noun king. Now here second topic, position of an adjective. There are many different types of adjectives. They will either be positioned before the noun or after the noun. Means adjective placed before the noun or after the noun based on. Attributive use means before the noun. Predicative use after the noun. So let us see in details. So here attributive use. Attributive adjectives ascribe a certain characteristic to a noun by preceding it. Predicative use. A predicative adjective is an adjective that flows a linking verb and modifies the subject of the linking verb. Now here we will see some examples of the attributive use. Here I admire the pretty sky. You can see in this sentence sky is a noun. So before that pretty, this adjective it came. Second one, the unicorn is an imaginary animal. So here you just see the position of adjective imaginary where it's come before the noun, that is animal. The cunning fox cheated the crow. Here fox is a noun and before that cunning it came. Fourth one, the brave general won a victory. So here general is a noun and before that brave it came. So by seeing these examples and highlighted one, you can able to understand where is the position of this adjective. So such a type of position of adjective is called as an attributive use. Now here we will see predicative use. A predicative adjective is an adjective that flows a linking verb and modifies the subject of the linking verb. In this form, the adjective is always a complement to the verb. So here are some examples it is there. The child was innocent. So here child is a noun and after that only innocent it came. So here was is linking verb. So you can see after the noun we are using this adjective. Now second example, she looked happy. So this happy is an adjective. So she is a noun. You can see after the noun we are using this adjective. So it is called as a predicative use. So now my students, you understood the attributive use and the predicative use. So now here order of adjectives. The order of adjective is a sequence used when there is more than one adjective to describe a noun. If you will see, when we use more than one adjective, they are to be placed in a proper order. This order depends on the meaning of the sentence. Still, the order is as under size, quality, age, shape, color, material, type, purpose. So if you will see example, the witness described the man as short, middle-aged and dark-skinned. So in this example, 3 adjectives are there. If you will see their sequence, how it's short means size, middle age, that is the age, and dark skin, that is the color. So it's depend on the meaning of the sentence. Remember that minor changes in this order can be made to suit the situation. So maybe you understood this order of adjective. Like this example, you have to write and see how sequence are coming according to the sentence of the adjectives. Now here note, when 2 or more adjectives come before a noun, they are usually separated by commas. So here a large, after that comma, round table. Second one, a short, comma, fair, comma, pretty girl. So second one, when 2 or more adjectives come in the predicative position, we use and between the last 2. Now here formation of adjectives. Formation of an adjective from a noun. You can see gold, that is noun, plus en. Then we are getting golden, that is adjective. Second one, formation of an adjective from a verb. So you can see verb taste. So in place of that e, we added y, tasty, that is adjective. Now in this table, we are able to see suffix, word and adjective. You can see y, this word silk, we added y. So here we got adjective word silky. ly, so word is friend, we added ly into this friend, we got adjective word friendly. Able, so this word enjoy, we added this able, so we got enjoyable. So this is adjective. You can see all the words how we form into adjective by adding all these suffix.
So my dear students, I hope you understood all these 4 topics. So now, according to these 4 topics, you have to practice example according to the topics. So, thank you.